Welcome to Science Hub. Today, we're diving into a cutting-edge innovation in dental science that could revolutionize how we tackle tooth enamel erosion. Researchers from the University of Nottingham have developed a bio-inspired compound aimed at rebuilding damaged enamel and strengthening teeth. Tooth enamel erosion is a common dental concern. Enamel, the outer layer of our teeth, protects them from external forces. When enamel is worn away, teeth become vulnerable to decay and infection, potentially leading to tooth loss. But recent research offers promising solutions to this age-old problem. This innovative technique draws inspiration from the natural processes in our bodies during childhood when enamel forms naturally. The breakthrough involves a gel that, when applied as a thin layer on the tooth surface, seeps into tiny cracks and gaps in the enamel. This layer acts as a scaffold, attracting mineral ions from saliva, such as calcium and phosphate, and rearranging them into a new crystalline structure that mimics natural enamel. This process, known as biomineralization, allows the rebuilt enamel to seamlessly integrate with the existing tooth structure, restoring its strength and healthy appearance. Notably, this technique is safe, easy to apply, and can be quickly utilized in dental clinics. It also offers the added benefit of enhancing exposed dentin layers, reducing tooth sensitivity and improving the adhesion of fillings and other dental restorations. Unlike traditional methods that rely on fluoride, this technique hinges on proteins, making it an ideal alternative for those looking to avoid fluoride-based products. While this enamel rebuilding technology presents a promising solution for enamel erosion, there are challenges to its widespread application. Additional research is essential to ensure its long-term effectiveness and safety. Nevertheless, these innovations could pave the way for a future in dentistry focused on self-healing technologies, significantly enhancing dental health. The bio-inspired gel technique offers an innovative solution to enamel erosion. With its ability to rebuild enamel and strengthen teeth without fluoride, it could redefine modern dental practices. If successfully marketed, it may provide a simple, safe, and lasting solution for enamel restoration and cavity prevention, helping individuals maintain stronger, healthier teeth for life. Don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating science content.